Where to sell your NFT art. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am telling you about different NFT marketplaces to sell your NFT art. So let's get started. Today I will overview different marketplaces where you can actually buy and sell your NFTs. If you have just started with selling NFT and creating NFTs and you're wondering what are some platforms, how they work, then you're at the right place. So up first we have Rarible.com. Rarible is an open marketplace to sell and buy your NFTs. Rarible is one of the very famous ones as well, and you will be able to find amazing creators on Rarible. How Rarible works is super simple. All you have to do is just connect your wallet to Rarible, and then you can create your listing as well. And when we talk about the categories that we get on Rarible, it is an open platform, so you will find trading cards, you will find art NFTs, mp3 NFTs, mp4 NFTs, and different video, audio, whatever you are looking for will be on Rarible. And when we talk about the different transaction fee, you have to pay the transaction fee every time, of course, when you mint your NFT, and when you are going to buy NFT, you will actually have to pay the transaction fee both time. The pricing for NFT, it actually works on Ethereum blockchain, so make sure that your wallet should be in Ethereum if you are going to use Rarible.com. And the NFTs are priced pretty reasonable. You will find reasonable NFTs, you will find the expensive ones as well, and then there are cheap ones too. The good thing about Rarible is that it's not strict at all. As I mentioned, it's an open platform, so you can mint your NFTs very easily here, and it's not that complicated and very beginners friendly when it comes to Rarible.com. One of the very beginners friendly platform out there, I would say, because it also gives you a view of how it works when you come to the website, and where you can actually have an idea then how this platform works. It gives you a guide, and when you can get a guide how to buy NFTs, how to sell NFTs, super easy. Simply create different NFTs, and then you can just simply go ahead and sell it for whatever the price you want to set for your NFTs. There are live auctions, there are you can see the top collections right here. The famous collections and programs are found here. For example, Sandbox Land is here, and then we have Townstar, and we have Doodles, Wolf Game, and others as well. So yeah, Rarible.com is an amazing platform to get started with selling your NFTs. The next platform I have is called OpenSea.io. OpenSea is world's largest marketplace to sell and buy NFTs, and it is one of the very first marketplaces that were created for buying and selling NFTs. That is why OpenSea is very famous, and the market value and marketplace for OpenSea is amazing, and the audience is available on OpenSea because everybody who is into NFTs will be on OpenSea. There are many categories that you can actually go for. For example, art NFTs, music, domain names, virtual worlds, trading cards, collectibles, and utility support, and all NFTs. You can actually find amazing NFTs here to sell and to buy as well. When it comes to selling your NFTs, all you have to do is just connect your wallet. From here, you can connect any wallet that you have. You can connect your MetaMask, you can connect any other wallet that you are using. Once your wallet is connected, then you will be able to create your NFTs on OpenSea. The minting process is super easy. It literally takes 1 minute to mint NFTs on OpenSea. And when it comes to buying NFTs, you will be able to find amazing NFTs on OpenSea because they are available in every categories. And the good thing about OpenSea is that all of the famous programs, for example, CryptoPunks, Cool Cats, Sandbox, and different Wolf Games, and every big program and collection is available on OpenSea. So that is why OpenSea is very famous and audience is available. So it becomes very easy for you to sell your NFTs, and you will find the buyers that are looking for good NFTs. So if you are creating new NFTs, you are designing NFTs, and you are looking for a platform to sell as a beginner, then you should definitely check out OpenSea.io. The next platform I have is called Niftygateway.com. Now, Niftygateway.com is a little different than Rarible and OpenSea. It is not an open platform. It is rather a art platform where you can sell and buy your art NFTs, and you can actually, in art, you can do a lot. But again, when it comes to Niftygateway.com, it is very strict in publishing the art. The NFTs are actually called Nifties here, the NFTs that are minted, and the minting process is very complicated. It only allows a very selective creators to create their NFTs and mint on Nifty Gateway. That is why it is super professional. And but if you are a good artist and you can create these amazing, modern and very good digital art, then you can definitely check out niftygateway.com. And if you have a good collection, then they will allow you to add it to Nifty Gateway. And when it comes to selling, the Nifties are sold within seconds of their launch. When an NFT is up, it is sold within seconds. A little complicated for the buyer because they have to act very fast, but very good for sellers. And you have to pay the transaction fee, of course, when you are minting and selling your NFTs on Nifty Gateway. You can go to Marketplace and you will be able to check out all the amazing NFT art. Then you can go to verified drops that have all the verified collections, and the verified collections are amazing and are affordable as well, not that much of a pricing. And the good thing about Nifty Gateway is that you also get the pricing in USD. So you can see this one is for 1,700, 700, 2,000. The pricing for art, the artwork is phenomenal, so the pricing is reasonable. Like this one is just for $96, so this is pretty good. So this one is $3,600, pretty good. And as a seller, you can actually make a very good amount on Nifty Gateway. So if you are an artist, you are into art NFTs, then you should definitely check out niftygateway.com. The next platform is Foundation.app. It is also one of the very famous marketplaces for NFTs. And the thing about Foundation.app is that you will find amazing digital art on Foundation.app. You can see right here, these are some of the very top NFTs that are given here. Trending auctions, these are the different auctions that are live right now. And you can see this one is for 2 ETH, and 2 ETH is round about $6,000. So this is pretty good for ETH, and you can see the ending time right here. So when it comes to Foundation.app, you will find amazing digital art on Foundation, works on Ethereum blockchain, pretty good. You will find all of these amazing artists. Again, a little more professional than OpenSea and Rarible. It is an open platform, but the minting process is little complicated, and the good creators and famous one can mint on Foundation.app. But if your art is good, then you can definitely try your luck on Foundation.app. And these NFTs are actually sold for thousands of dollars. This one is 15 ETH, and 15 ETH is a lot. This one is 20 ETH. So you can see the difference between NFTs. You can see this art is just, very professional, and all of these creators are very professional, and they have created these amazing NFTs. So if you are an artist, you can create these amazing NFTs, then you should definitely come to Foundation.app, because you will actually get the price for your NFT, and the marketplace is very good. The market value of these NFT is pretty high, and you will be able to earn a good amount from your NFTs. So yeah, definitely check out Foundation.app. The next platform I have for you is called DigitalEyes. DigitalEyes is different from all of the previous platforms because it is a Solana marketplace. You can buy and sell your Solana NFTs on DigitalEyes. Now I am mentioning this because if you are creating Solana NFTs and you do not want to work on ETH, then you can just go for DigitalEyes. It is also a open marketplace for Solana, and it is one of the very first marketplaces that have been created for Solana NFTs. So you will be able to find all of these different collections, these verified collections right here on DigitalEyes. The NFTs are amazing, and you can see that the top collections are verified, so that is pretty good. And then these collections are very famous. As a seller, you will be able to sell your NFTs within minutes because the marketplace is pretty big. All you have to do is you can actually go for solo and you can create your NFTs. You can go to explore, where you will be able to find different NFTs, and then sell option allows you to sell your NFTs to create your listing on DigitalEyes. You just have to connect your wallet, and your wallet will of course have Solana. Then what happens is that you will be able to find trending collections, latest collections, and verified collections. So these are the collections ones, right? And when you open up a collection, for example, let's go with stylish studs, and when I open a collection, you will be able to check the price floor, you will be able to check the volume right here, and the listing will be shown right here, and the pricing as well. So the pricing is not that much. You can actually filter your search right here, and you can see right here, this is the one of the collections from DigitalEyes. So this collection is pretty cool, and you can actually now buy any of these NFTs, and in order to sell one, all you have to do is connect your wallet and then create your listing, and you will be able to sell on DigitalEyes. So yeah, if you're looking for a Solana NFT marketplace, then you should definitely check out DigitalEyes.market. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you have an idea that what are the different NFT marketplaces where you can buy and sell your NFTs. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.